Oh, hello everyone. Hello everyone. We are on the air from Monosclera, paydailylife.com. Want to welcome you live to this Google Hangout. Again, this is a test and only a test. I'm testing it out for future references when we start growing our group a lot larger than it is now. Let me know if you can hear me. I'm just going to wait for everyone to enter. I invited a few people to test out the actual broadcast. I got new features and I just want to make sure that it is going to work. All right, let's see. I know this is live, but I'm just testing this out, make sure this is working correctly. There you go. Give me a second, ladies and gentlemen. Again, this is a test. If you can hear me. Oh, I got one viewer. Okay, let's see. Okay. Chat enabled. That's what I want to make sure that the chat is enabled and you can see it. All right, let me go ahead and got one viewer. It says one viewer, so I'm guessing she is in. Where's my, there we go. Oh, attendees, how come that's not working? Live chat, okay. Chat. Group chat. Hello. Again, this is a test. I'm testing the Google Hangout. Make sure this is working correctly for when we do host live weekly webinars. I got Q&A here. I don't understand why it's not popping up. It's saying this feature is disabled. Do I turn that on? Okay. I don't see your message. Let's see. I'm going to chat and I typed something in and I don't see anyone else typing. Okay, so I can share. Cool. Q&A, chat. I don't understand why it's not working. All right. All right. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me, Renee? Just want to make sure you can hear me. If you can type that in. It should be a group chat on the upper right-hand side. I don't see anyone typing but me. See the chat? Okay. If you click on, I gotta get out of this thing here. Settings. Okay, cancel. In the box there on the upper left-hand corner, this should say right over here. This should say a chat box. It says chat. You have to click on that in order to open the chat box. It says public chat is available. Let me see. Can you see that? I just hit you are presenting to everyone. So I'm presenting. So I don't know what that means. I got to figure the part out. Let's see here. I don't see it. Okay. Damn it. Well, that's why I made this test one. So just to make sure it's going to be working correctly. Let's see what happens. Okay, let me see if I have to send you a different link. Give me 1 second. Let me log in. Let's see. Webinars, boom, 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 webinar, boom, webinar options. Share webinar. Give me 1 second. Oh no, I don't want to do that. Guest link. Okay, let me see if I have to give you this link here. Just trying to figure this out because again, I just purchased this webinar hosting service and I want to correctly. The webinar has started. If you're having troubles with this connection, you all right. Let's see. Okay, so I can. Invite friends. Okay. Oh, okay. I see it now. All right, I'm gonna send you the link right now. Renee, give me 1 second. Funny thing is, I'm hosting. I got two webinars open, but I was trying to figure this out. I think I did it. Let's see. Boom. Check that out there. Oh, get out of here. It's blocked. Son of a gun. Blocked on Facebook. I'm going to send you the invite through email and see if that works. All right. Almost done. Give me 1 second. Paste. Send. I sent you the message through the email, Renee. Type OK if you can hear me. Send. Oh, I'm logged in as guest. I don't want that. All right. I sent you a link, an email. I want to see if you can get in there and see what happens. All right. Let's see here. I want to close this. How do I close this shit up? Ooh, excuse my language. Okay. All right. Come on. This is gone. Come on. Let's go. You guys. Damn it. I got to figure this out. This is not as easy as I thought it was going to be. Same feature is disabled. I don't understand that. I got to fix that. How the hell do I fix that? Ah, there you are. What's up? What up? What up? What up? Okay. I see you. Hello. Can you see me? Everything good? So we have to use the webinar link and not Google Hangout. You can on in the chat room. One 1,000, two 1,000, three 1,000, four 1,000, five 1,000. Okay, so about 5 seconds. Okay, so we are about 5 seconds delay. And when you type, it's showing you typing 5 different times. Are you typing 5 times or just once? Seems you are typing the number 5 times. Are you typing it once? Again, it came up 5 times. Are you able to chat, like speak? Because it says live chat is enabled. Public chat is enabled. Let me see if I can. I don't know if you're gonna be able to talk. Yes, it is crazy. It's you. I gotta show you that picture. All right, I'm gonna share my screen. Can you hear me? Okay, so about 10 seconds. One 1,000, two 1,000, three 1,000, four 1,000, five 1,000, six 1,000, seven 1,000, eight 1,000, nine 1,000, 10 1,000, 11 1,000, 12 1,000, 13 1,000, 14 1,000, 15 1,000, 16 1,000, 17 1,000, 18 1,000, 19 1,000, 13 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 25, 26. Wow. All right. Okay, it's 30 seconds. That's right. 30-second delay. So, I mean, she just got it. Okay, cool. All right, Renee, I'm going to act like you are a guest, okay? Um, I'm going to call you on the phone. No, I won't call you on the phone. I'm just going to try to go through the presentation really quick. And from there, I guess I'm testing it, so I got to make sure everything works properly. I know video is 30 seconds delay, and the chat is about 5 seconds delay. So the chat is a lot easier to communicate with everyone, but the video is going to be 30 seconds delayed. That's okay, but the what I made the mistake earlier was I sent you the link to Google Hangout when I was supposed to send you the link to the webinar software. Okay, I wanted to share some my actual capture page within the webinar. So what I'm going to do, I know you can see my screen, so what I'm going to try to do is open up my webinar options and try to share my link with you. Let's see. Let's see. Copy, share, webinar registration, replay page. That's not it. I forgot how to add it. I gotta learn. I gotta go over it. I mean, again, this is a test, so what I gotta do is I gotta share my link with you. With inside the chat. Somehow I gotta do it because the chat you are on, you're in the chat room as a guest. That is cool. I gotta figure this out. Dang it. Let me vmerge mesh doc. Is it here? Let's see. I want to give you my actual capture page link, but for some reason, I know I can share it inside the webinar. I have to watch the videos down here and do it. because that's the only way I can do it. I don't know how to do it, to be honest with you. That's taking forever. I'll see if I document. All right, so what I'm going to add is the document for the $5 funnel, pay it forward. And let's see, documents. Where is it? The number 5? I thought it was in here. I don't think it's here. Dang it. Learning, man. I'm learning. You know, we got to perfect this. If I don't perfect this, that's not going to be good in due time, I guess. But I got to get this down packed, because if I don't, I cannot host webinars. I'm just looking for the document so I can add it to the webinar, and then you're going to be able to take it from there. I don't know what I did with it. Son of a gun. You know what? Exactly will allow you to video documents for your attendees in real time when on recorded webinar. You will be able to decide which slide or which page that happened will be visible to your attendee. All right, that's too much. I can't find it. So let me just go to my webinars, page templates. I need my page template link. Because in the chat room that you are in, I should be able to send you my capture page, what's inside the system. You know what I mean? So I just got to go to my pages, and here's the link here. Let's see. Conversion rate, opt-in, click-in, 7, unique visitors, 74. All right, let's see. Visit page. See, this is the page I created. Okay. I got the link here. Copy. I'm going to place it in the $5 funnel link. Let's see. I'm working real hard to get this done. I know I'm not the greatest at this shit, but I got to learn somehow. All right, here we go. Webinar capture page link, file, save as, boom, save, done. All right, so this is the link here. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to try to add it to my webinar, my live webinar you are in now. Okay. So my webinars. All right, let's see here. I'm sharing. Let me see if I can send you the link. I know I can send you the link, but let me know how it shows up. All right, you got the link? Cool. Awesome. Well, that link, if you click on it, you'll get the capture page. And then what's going to happen, it's going to take you, see how it is? That's me, my big ass head right there. Let's talk money. See, this is what I like about this, because this is a funnel. You can create a funnel within it. And what happens is if you click on show me now, it's going to take you to my income out loud capture page, you know, the one that we have, the business we're in, and then it has the video of the pay it forward system. And then once they like the video, they click on getting started, they fill out the form. You know the deal from there, because you have the same software. But what I was trying to do is create it so it'll funnel people in and through one system into the other, etc. That's what I'm trying to do. But the thing is, I cannot see the webinar room like I was seeing. I can see it here. I can see the webinar, but what I'm trying to do is see it live like you're looking at it. But when I do that, I get confused real quick, man. I'll tell you, it's not that easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to my webinars. List my webinars. One registrant. It says one registrant. I don't know if you registered. I mean, I gotta add stuff. I want to see if I can add, because I should be able to add capture pages, software, things like that. I haven't even really worked that out. But since we're on the screen sharing, I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So, all right, here we go. Screen share. It's going to take a few more seconds and that should be done. You should be able to see my whole screen. In about 30 seconds, you'll be able to see it. So I'm going to host the webinar. I'm going to say, hello, welcome everyone to the $5 funnel pay it forward program. As you can see here, this is the program we are actually catapulting everyone from a small investment of $5 into hundreds and maybe possibly thousands by following the simple method and the simple system, okay? Now, this is the actual capture page, the sign up page where you'll be signing up once you receive the link from either your sponsor or whoever it is. If you don't have a sponsor, there should be a link in this webinar to your right hand side. It doesn't matter who signs who because we all working together. So if you were to sign up on my link, you will just be placed in the next available spot. If you sign up with your sponsor, you will be placed in their structure. So that being said, you will fill out the form, first name, last name, email, phone number, and then click sign up. What's going to happen is it's going to be taking you to the actual inside of the program. And once you are in, you just need to follow a few simple steps. All right, these are going to be unchecked. Okay, you're going to see your affiliate ID is going to be up on the right hand side. You're going to have your watch the video orientation. There's going to be another video here, and join us socially, invite people, and verify. Once these are all set, there's going to be a video. For every time you click on one link, a video is going to pop up on the right. I would encourage you to watch that video and then click on every single one of these and watch the video, do exactly the same. Once you are ready to become a paid member, you're going to pay using a Visa, MasterCard, Amex card here. Click subscribe. Once you click subscribe, you are going to take you to this actual sign up page where you become a paid member. You're going to have your first name, last name, email, address. Let me mute that. Address, city, zip, the card. You're going to put the month, year, security code, cardholder name, and hit whatever monthly membership you would like to choose. The difference between the $5.45 a month is you are actually purchasing the first matrix, which is the $5 called a Kickstarter. You can actually purchase both the Kickstarter and the Builder if you choose the $26.09 a month. So if someone jumps at, if you just pick the $5.45, you can stay at the $5.45 monthly level. If you choose the $26.09, you're going to be able to build both of them at the same exact time, the $20 and the $5 monthly. Okay. The thing with this is when you're paying it forward, what's going to happen is someone signs up for you, like they become a paid member, you're going to forward them the $5 back using PayPal, Payza, or Western Union. That's how you're going to pay these people back, okay? So it's only three. You only need to get three people to sign up with your link, have them become a paid member, and have them do exactly the same thing. By doing so, you are going to grow rapidly in this program. It's not going to take you months. It's going to take you weeks. You're going to be free within the second week of being in this program if everyone follows exactly that same method, okay? Now, you're going to have an actual script, okay? And it's going to look something like this here. It'll say special invitation. You might have received this through email, or you might have received this through Facebook or some other sort of way, but this is the actual script you're going to be sharing. In this script, we actually have the link, the explanation video of how our system and program is going to work. The next link here is actually a registration form. Once you become an actual pay member with our organization, you're going to fill out this form here. So once this opens up, put your first name, last name, email, phone number, etc. The inviter who invited you with their name and email and phone number, or whatever the form says exactly there. Once that is done, you're going to replace this link here once you become a pay member, and you're going to place your link there. And now you're going to share this with 3 people you like, know, and trust. Okay. That being said, once that is done, I'm going to invite you. Once I receive the notification that you have become a paid member, I'll look in my structure, make sure that it is legit. And then we're going to invite you to our Facebook group. Okay. Our Facebook group is private and it looks something like this. You're going to see this is a pay it forward system program and a $5 funnel. And if you are a pay member, you will be placed in this here. We only are going to allow people who actually became a paid member who want to move forward with our program. I do have to change this from 20 to 15. I do apologize. I will do that later on. With that being said, there's going to be some files in here. I mean, occasionally I'll throw some free stuff in there. People can share files, different methods of promotion, things of that nature. Now you're going to have the $5 funnel link is hard to use on Facebook because it's blocked. So what we have is actually a different option for you to do so. Okay. Now, if you haven't noticed, the $5 funnel has added some extra links here because these other links are blocked. This one here, the main link is blocked. So what they have done is made 3 different other links. This is what they look like. This is link number 1. Okay, this is blue. All right, and this is link number 3. So you're going to be able to share these links now on Facebook. I think these are okay to use. They're not blocked, but they are going to ask you to verify them. Just put in the code, hit enter, and share it. That being said, I wanted to show you exactly how the compensation plan works in this program. As you can see here, it's a leader matrix is the $99, but you start at the $5 level, like I said earlier. You're going to start at the $5 monthly Kickstarter matrix. You're going to pay it forward for 3 people. That'll be your first level, the first 3 people you sign up. Okay. And as you progress and they sign up their 3, these 3 people got their 3. Now you're going to have 9 people on your second level. Now you are free. See, the income you got coming in is $18 there. That's paying for your $5 times 3. Okay, what's going to happen as it continues, as these 9 people get their 3, you're going to have 27 people on your third level. As you see, the income you're making is $40.50. Now, at this particular point, you are in profit of $35. So they're going to take 20 of that, and they're going to enroll you inside the $20 builder matrix. Okay, at the same time you're building your $5, you're going to be building your builder matrix income. As you can see here, people from your first matrix on the $5 are going to follow you into the builder matrix. And what's going to happen is your income is going to grow. It's going to grow at the $5. It's going to grow at the $20. When your $5 income, your $5 matrix has filled up at the 5th level, you have a total of 363 people in your organization. You're going to be making $221 monthly. And at the same time, you are going to be building the $20 matrix, as you can see here. Now, at this particular point, once this fills up, again, it only takes 363 sales on the first program, 363 sales on the second builder matrix program. The total is about 716 people, I believe, if my math is correct. 760 people, so that'll be a total of close to $2,000 you'll be making monthly income. Now, that was just with $15 out of pocket. The $15 was for the 3 people you paid it forward to. Okay, now that being said, we're going to move people along this structure. So as you are building this income here, and you start to get towards the 3rd level in the builder matrix, you're going to be raking in about $108 a month, plus, the $221 a month in the first program. So your profit is going to be you're going to be pretty successful in this program by everyone assisting and helping and following the exact 2 rules, getting their 3, paying it forward, and doing exactly the same. So you're going to be receiving a huge income, and it's going to keep building. As this builds, we're going to promote to you the second program. It's called the 110 Method program. This is the cost of $39.99 monthly. Okay, so remember, you are coming from profit. From the profit you're making here, as this continues to build, we're going to move you into the 110 method program. Okay, there's going to be 3 steps to follow: steps 1, steps 2, and steps 3. Okay, there's 10 programs. There's 10 programs in this system. Okay, there's 10 programs in this system. So the income you're going to be making is $25 residual just on the first program from everyone that follows you in from the $5 funnel. So everybody that follows you from here are going to move into this program, and you're going to be making residual income as well in this program. So $25 from the first program, $125 residual from the second program, etc., etc. Your income is going to keep growing. So there's no need for you to jump from one program to the other. We have all the programs here. We're going to funnel you in accordingly. Okay. Now, that being said, this is going to continue to grow the $5 funnel at the same exact time. Remember, no money out of pocket. I mean, no more money out of pocket. You already came out with pocket one time. But if you follow the methods and you follow the rules, and everybody does exactly as they're told, we will make this work. This is a no way you can fail program if everybody does as they were told. Now, if you understand how a matrix is built, and everyone leveraging their income to make that grow, I mean, you can by all means put your money in a bank, $15 in the bank, and see how much that'll earn you in 1 year. But I can guarantee you, $15 in a bank in 1 year, you're not making but pennies, if that. Okay, you take $15 and put it in this program, and you leverage it with other network marketers. Now you can see where your income can take you, because together we are all leveraging our incomes to create even more money. That's the power of network marketing. Now, that being said, again, we got you in the own network. You're making an income. You're using the tools in the program. Everything that we have to offer is automated blogging. There's so much to offer. I won't go through the products just yet. I just wanted to go through the compensation. Again, you're going to be able to keep track of your organization as they come in. There's pass up, there's pass downs. There's a compensation plan video here. You start at the top, everybody follows you in. There's pass ups, there's pass down, there's spillover. The company brings in people into your organization, etc., etc. Once you are making enough money to move into the copper, that's 125 residual from each member. We're going to take one-time payment of $100 and move you to our NDG program. Now, in this program here, you're going to be able to make $166,800 every 60 to 90 days with just one-time contribution of $100. Now, in this structure here, it's very lucrative. We have people of like mind, but again, we are funneling you along from first program to the second program to the third program. So you're going to have 3 different income streams coming in. And remember, you only paid $15 out of pocket. By doing so, by following the simple rules that we have given you in the script, okay? Remember the simple rules here. Rule number 1, you must pay it forward for 3 members. Total out of pocket, $15 one time. Once you've paid it forward, they must do exactly what you've done. Pay it forward for 3 other people who they know, like, and trust. Okay, now this can happen in 2 days. This can happen in 3 days. It can happen in a week. But you got to understand that by following this method and following the simple rules, we will grow with no problem whatsoever. Okay, we are growing as we speak. I'm already in all 3 of these programs. I'm already on my 3rd level in this program. As a matter of fact, I'll show you the actual downline live. Okay, let it load up here. Okay, as you can see here, I have to fill a couple of more spots left on my 3rd level. Now, it could be coming from this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, or anyone up above. Again, there's people below here are building. You cannot see them. I cannot see them because the structure only goes down 4 levels deep. 1, 2, 3, and this is my 4th. My 4th is building right now. Okay, but that being said, as these spots fill up, as you can see, these people are going to move into the $20. As you can see, this guy's already moved into the 20, and here's my $20 line. I have 3 people there now. Again, as people progress and create an income and from profit, they're going to move into my 2nd level according to the plan, just like this. And now this is going to fill up. Once this fills up, again, there's a $20, there's a $99 level matrix, and a $297 matrix. But this is going to keep growing. At the same time, you're moving in here and you're growing. You see how easy and simple this program can be, all from a simple $15 out of pocket expense one time, and everybody doing exactly the same. The income that you can make in these programs are staggering. Okay. That being said, let me show you exactly what you can make just on the $5 funnel alone. The income you can make on just $5 funnel alone. As you can see here, you already know first level $221, second level $1,443, third level $48,737. Remember, all from a small investment of $15 one time. You have to understand and see the big picture of these programs. That's $15 out of pocket one time, paying it forward for three others. They do exactly what you like, what you've done, and you will move in and up and out of these programs with a life-changing income. This third program alone can pay all your financial debt. I mean, how many people you know make $50,000 a month? There's going to be over 50,000 because you're making 48,737 in this one alone, plus the 1,500 in the second, which was a $20, and $221 in the first program. Total it all up, you're making over $51,000 monthly income. I'm sure you could pay off your cars, house, rent, you name it, college. This is life-changing income. At the same time, you know, since you are in the program, it's growing automatically. No one's leaving the program. Why are they not leaving? Because the income coming in. Everybody before you is following you up. They're all in profit. Everybody you know that's behind you is in profit. Everyone. No one is leaving. You have to understand that. This program is built for success. This program is built for you and everybody before them. Now, as this continues to grow, you're going to be able to see even more money coming in because they added a fourth level in this program. This is called the Mughal Matrix. The income in this level now, you're going to be able to buy toys. Talk about toys, motorcycles, boats, yachts, things of that nature. Why not? You're making a huge monthly income come in. Now, once this fills up, you're looking at $146,213 monthly. You see, that is the type of income you can make with these programs. This is the four levels that you can get from the $5 funnel alone. Okay, this is one of the programs that we are using to catapult everyone into all our other programs. See, there's a cap. This cap. You cannot make no more money than this monthly. Okay, you're capped. But what we have done is we added the funnel system. So you're capped here, but your income level is staggering. I mean, the money you're making here is great. It's phenomenal. You can live off that for the rest of your life. But what we have done, we said, hey, well, why not make more money? Why not make more money? So why not take that profit that you're making from the first program and move into this program and start building even more money? As you can see here, 10 other programs in this system. It's unbelievable the kind of money you're going to be able to make. As you can see in the first program, I mean, life changing. It's staggering. Just to think about making this kind of money because you've never made it before. But if you follow our rules and the way our structure is built, you will get here. But you have to stay focused and you have to do exactly as you're told. It is very important that you do so. How many times have you failed? How many times have you gone out there by yourself building these programs by yourself? It gets tiring doing so. With that being said, once you pass this, you'll get capped here. Your income is unbelievable. Your money you're making, you're spending time with family, friends, doing whatever you please. Okay, you're building another income here. I cannot even tell you how much money is on a Royal Ambassador level because I'm not even there yet. I'm only on the bronze, as you can see here. I'm in my 46th day of 60. Okay, the compensation plan video here. Once you join, you're gonna be able to play this and see exactly how this works. It's phenomenal. The tools, the training, the program that they offer in this as well is also helpful for whatever you are doing. I'm using this to catapult all my programs. I would not tell you to join if I'm not in it now. I'm making an income in this one. I'm making an income in this one. And I'm also on the third. I'm on the bronze gold. I'm on the gold benefactor level. I'm already right here ready to receive. And what I'm going to receive in the gold benefactor level is $800, $500 times eight. Eight people are sending $1 grand, and all I had to come out of pocket was $100. And what we're going to do is have everyone invite too. But as you know, and I know how easy this can happen because everyone before you is in profit. So they're going to be able to take $100 out of their profit to come into this program. Remember, it's one time, $100. Now, there's two different stages in this program. There's the first stage, okay, which is stage one, the benefactor level, and then there's a second stage. In the second stage, you are going to be making $166,800. This is a tight-knit community. It's private as well. So you're going to be able to meet everyone. There's going to be an actual Facebook group. There's going to be calls live Sunday to Thursday. But that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is how easy this program can work. Get started today. Get with your sponsor. Get with the person that invited you to this webinar. Again, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. And together, if we work together, this can happen for you as fast as you want it to. Okay, just make sure you get 3 and make sure they get their 3. If they're having issues and problems once they become a paid member, if we find some extra person, if someone has a 4th or 5th person, we'll be more than happy to place them in with your link in your organization. That is not a problem. Again, we all working together anyway, so I would not mind passing a few people to you in your link. Okay, thank you for watching this webinar. I appreciate you. Comment on the section on the right there. If you have any questions or concerns, you can reach me. My email, so that way you can get in touch with me, and join the Facebook group, because that's where I'll be. So thank you for watching this video. Have yourself a wonderful day. Bye-bye.